What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to TechMan. For today's video, let's talk about how to download Hamster Kombat app. So let's get started by going to the Play Store or App Store based on what phone devices you are using. Let's type in the search bar Telegram. While in the Telegram, tap Install. Since I have mine already installed, let's get started by opening the Telegram app. And the Telegram app, type in the search bar Hamster Kombat. Now the Hamster Kombat appears, so tap on it. As you can see, we are in the Hamster Kombat conversation. Let's proceed by tapping Start at the bottom of the screen. Now tap Play, located at the bottom left of the screen. You will see that a pop-up notification will appear. Just stop Start to start the Hamster Kombat. And that's it. That's how to download Hamster Kombat app.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.